More Botanist. That's what I say. I had such a nice experience with this shampoo that I decided to go back and buy the conditioner. Now, how I picked this one was kind of random. It was basically, I just was attracted to the scent. So this one's apple and berry, whereas this one was apricot and jasmine. And I wanted something with like I have fine damaged hair, so I wanted something to treat it. So this one also, yeah, promises lots of moistness. It's got 97% success rate among consumers. So let's rip this off, open up the bottle, put this in the shower, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so it's been under a week. It may look like I've been using a lot, but actually it's not that much because I did decant this into a travel container. And also, I haven't used that much on a daily basis. The first time I used it, I found it was a little heavy for my dry, fine hair. So I reduced the amount I was using, and it went much better. So what I've learned from the week with using this, or the few days with learning this, is that it definitely is more of a treatment than like a rinse or conditioner. I wouldn't use this every day moving forward, I think. I'll probably use it on just days when my hair is drier and then stick with a regular rinse most of the time because it is a bit heavier. But the smell is lovely. Oh, and by the way, compared to the shampoo smell, I can definitely smell in the shower at least the apricot jasmine scent more than this apple berry smell, although it does smell delicious. But with the apricot and jasmine, because this is a shampoo, it lathers a lot, so I guess those scent particles get into the air and I can perceive them more, whereas this one doesn't lather quite as much. But anyway, I'm enjoying both of these, and I would recommend.